Right. Live again. Get this one out there. Right, stream, excellent, nice. And Twitch, I'm live. I'm sending too much for the bitrate, but hopefully, excellent. Sending some more data to YouTube. All right, so what I am doing, I'm simply just updating tests here. X ID, there should probably just be a fixed string. Googling XID. Do they have like a dummy one I can grab really quick? Yeah. Let's do this. Get available ports. Right. Figure out a better setup for this. I do this for all the ports. Headless. I'm just gonna remove everything in text fixtures and go to the update flag. Test deploy binary. Test deploy immediate. What do we get here? Invalid deployment strategy. Okay. Test deploy. Invalid deployment ID. Deployment ID, let's just set one here. And then go test. Okay. Right. Invalid ID, deployment strategy, got right. Current content, expected content more. Deploy binary. Right. Right. Why do we get this? Okay. Yeah, it does have the body. We'll just run the test now. We still get the wrong one, or damn it. How is it? I do tests. Wrong place. So we don't send along. Good. Good. Take that shit. Handlers, and then blue, green. Again, we should do this. And now we should also get a right. Update it. Nice. All of this is looking fine. Expected state got nothing back. It's not really the best message. But I think it's fine. Step. Current step completed. Unexpected. Right. Good. Good. Each request should echo its own. This trigger different update process ID, also skip same specification. Alright, so operator. Guess we are up here. And this one has to then be good. Yeah, that should do it. That should do it. And how is the operator manager looking now? Right. We have no more go vets, no go tests. Go clean. Cache clean. No. Doesn't really matter. Let me just get this test re-implemented. And then what is the next thing? Create operator. Right. So all of this is fine for now, at least. Get all of those in there. Yeah. So this is for binary deploys. Yeah, and all of these one will be tackled later. I'm gonna leave all of this for now, but I should probably caddy. We have the get operator status. We don't need to just get route, and we want to have operator route ID. Routes. Don't I have something to determine? Extract this into a little method. Determine running or determine yes, and we want to have upstreams past here. Yeah. Yes, and yes. Guess we just want the caddy route handler passed instead. Handle right. So this one becomes handle upstreams, handle load balancing, handle upstreams, and handle upstreams, and handle load balancing. And determine what active serving instance blue green port blue port in integer. And do we need to do? No, we can just do string for now. Return serving and stopped. Close this one, and then we would just do this, do this, do this. CM determine instance blue green. We pass green port, blue port, and handle. Right, so grab this. Turning the weights. So down here we also have weights, right? Yeah. And then in this get operator would be determine, yes, an operator green, operator blue, and then still need routes. Serving stopped. Weights. CM determine now to blue and green, blue, and route dot handle. What was host before? So at least we get the serving instance. Do we need, what is host here? What was the handler? Opera handler, come on. Operator instance. Running instance, active instance. Yeah, I guess that's all we really need. Go back to caddy. We just find upstreams. Find the active instance. This is what we do. And then extract. Entry. So we also have host. What is host? This one, right? Yes, 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 yes. Which works on this one. There we have host. Okay. Len routes handle. Does not equal 1. Or len routes route. Match turn error. And if len, this is going to be very host it's not pretty. Invalid operator route host config. But at least we should not panic now, right? And get rid of this. Get operator. Actually, let me just add new one. Get operator route state. Do all of this. Get operator route state. State. State bytes and get rid of all of this. Close this one down. Update. What do we get? We get got something I did not expect. This one. And why? So fail to get routes. Alright, so we are failing here. Which I guess is because does it just return? So we do use base URL. That we pass. Yeah. And for base. Still poor. Okay. And in caddy. No. Okay, so what if I just say that host is alright. So that is not the issue. Operator route with okay. That makes a little bit more sense. Shoot. But we are seated. It's seated right here. And now it should say the correct port. Okay. Operator routes with so it's even in here that it's failing. using this one. We seed it. Get these two upstreams. I mean, come on. Get operator route status, and we use the route operator ID. We get this one. Okay. There's no invalid here. That probably helps a little bit. Right. Do an update. Yes. We do default to green in the beginning, right? Yeah. Nice. Yeah, this one I've already been through. Yeah. Gonna leave this for now if I need to roll anything back. Okay. And what did I change to the API spec is only... Yeah. Nice, so let me get a merge in. And also make a new release. $20 should be correct. 22. Right, 21 can count. And refactor operator manager. It's not really the right commit message. I should have caught that a little bit earlier. Alright, so now if we go to staging and check out the server, 19 no, deploy crates and explore and 21, and over here let's say in Grok once this is finished running. Right, so let's try and send it. Go, run, command, explore. May not go. Bad gateway. Are we not sending to the correct one? At least the operator is running. And we are starting green. And there's no more blue. All right. Is this because what callback do we set? Operator absolute callback. That is now wrong. Or is it? Don't get why this is a bad HTTPS server ID. Right, probably help actually running the development server. But at least we are on 21, that's what we want. And then I actually think I wanna change this to be this. Question if I should do server ID and then update process ID. Update process ID. But what did I do in create operator? In services, the manager emits updates. It emits the this one. It already has the so could probably do something like server ID operator And then update process ID. Do something like this. And then do new write with new route with params like this. Maybe just call it server ID. Get rid of this. And update all server operators. Come on, the URL, and it wants to have the params, right? There we go. Could actually should I add if I go into definitions, could actually have something like full URL that will take in days and then simply add this on top. I think that would be quite nice. Did I do it in the... I need to do it down here. So it's this one. Come on, code actions. No. Which would apply options. So we will simply say base plus why can we not do that? Full URL, right? Have want what the hell? Rams is just any. Why? There we go. Right. So simply apply the base. Add full URL to and and total. Right, save, and then in update team server workers. This one should then become full URL. I'll take routing, routes, this, and this. And then it would take this bad boy right here. And then we need a process ID. But this, I think, actually, do I have linear open? Would be a good thing to add quickly before I forget. Come on. Add full route. Method to route. Nice, 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 nice. What is poor? Come on. Yeah. Do we have any more? We do not have any more. I should add verse. To handle this proper. So let's just say job version plus server.id plus string. Yeah. I am sort of okay with this for now. Full, no. Yeah, let me do this and remove this. Yeah. And then in environment, deploy. This one is under deploy to targets. Okay. That will also get reworked soon-ish. Okay. First argument and then yeah, targets .id. It's fine. what would it be here? Should I just do a have? Release version plus target.id plus string, and again to do handle this properly. Yes, but this whole thing will also be reworked once I get to rewriting. How are you doing, Simon? I'm good. Trying to get some work done late in the evening. How's the thesis going? Are you actually writing something? Or are you still waiting for the last moment? Yeah, this one doesn't exist anymore, right? So update full URL routes this bad boy right here, and then we do yes. How would I properly identify this for now? Yes, we put this up here. Update process ID. That's nice. How is the proportion of actually writing to using ChatGPT or something like that? So now, do I actually guess I need to go in here and handle. What does I need to handle now? Application, this one is good. So this one instead is different now. Create operator. Damn. But what? How? Like you have like a month, less than a month left. How much have you written? Right. So we get this one back. API, no. Operator. Yeah. Operator update status. It's almost matches. This one. Ah, nice. And you don't have to write that much more, right? You have to write 50 pages. For the Twitch viewers that are a little bit confused, I can't show comments on the stream right now. Arch won't allow me, so getting some comments from my brother on the YouTube stream. There we go. Now this one is good. Operator status callback. So we would have server ID. UUID pass, and then on the we're gonna get a param of server ID. It would be great if I could API actually shouldn't I be able to do this routes and then say if our ETX binding is this consuming? No, let's just do it this way. That's probably easier to begin with. Update process ID. Okay. Yeah. I mean, good luck. Good fucking luck. Okay. Yes. And don't actually have deployments. And guess now it's actually server. This one. No deployment ID. Server ID, yes. Source. No. I think we're gonna do it like, what do we actually get? We get this one, we get error, we get step, should be started at time bun started at, and what is normal music? God damn it. Oh, this is fucking boring. Get some we don't get action, don't get scope, we don't get state instead of state. Yeah, no, yes, step. Let's just do update process ID string bun. Okay, it's maybe a little bit too dark, this shit. Undercurrent. Fucking hell. Date process ID. This one, get all of this away, so that we have and we actually don't want to do it on conflict, on update process ID instead. And then I guess I need to, this is gonna cause a fuck ton of rewriting. Yes, so this one, no. Right. And finally fill in all the stuff that we don't have. Data started at data finished at state and data update process ID. Beautiful. Right. And the update one. Fill it. This one we don't need. Yes. So that in API we get all of this, we validate, and then we say so no models server operator release upsert and all of this. Okay, not really great, but payload. Do we have message? Payload. Error. And then this is not RUID. This is just gonna be a string. Update. Create operator. Do message. We don't really have message on update. Operator update status. This one. Okay, I guess that was on the model then. We don't have message here. Right. Then use this, and then payload dot update process needed. Invalid process ID. And then we do for EVT in range payload events. And we would then in models operator should that be? Yeah, probably should be. Don't really need both of them. Okay, I think I'm gonna figure that out later. An hour 20, that's fine. All right, gonna jump here. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.